Hello guys. Today I am back with a new trick to get free Instagram likes and followers. And also you can use this trick to get YouTube views and subscribers. So let us start our video. Click the below given link in the description. Now you will be redirected to this page. Here you can get likes, shares, views, followers and subscribers for any social media accounts. You can promote your social media accounts using this page. You just need a mail to register for this. By getting registered you will get a welcome bonus of 200 points. You can use those tokens to get likes, shares, views, followers and subscribers. By doing the tasks given over here you can earn more points. By just doing like, share, follow, subscribe and by watching YouTube videos. If you want more points just click buy points and here you can buy the points using PayPal and cryptocurrency. If you do not want to waste your then just click daily bonus over here. You can get more than 500 points every day by just logging in. What you have to do is just log in every day and collect bonus points. You must be active every day. If you are not active for more than 20 days then your actions will get blocked. You can convert these points to get likes, shares, views, followers and subscribers. Just click my sites. Now you have to select how you want to convert your points. Select any one from here like Instagram likes, Instagram views, Instagram followers, YouTube views or anything else. Fill the required portions and enter CPC. Here CPC is the number of points that you are going to give for completing your task. You can give a minimum of 5 and maximum of 50 points for each like or share or follower. The more you give the fast you get. By doing like, share, follow, views and subscribing you will get tokens. By just spending an hour every day, you will get more than 1000 points. And also you can earn by referring to your friends. If you have a good friend circle then you can refer your friends also. By referring a friend you will get 999 points. It is a huge amount. So by referring also you can earn tokens. Just copy the link in the referral section and send that link to your friend and ask him to register. Use temporary mail trick to get more tokens. I will give the link in the description. You can use these tokens to earn money also. Just start selling likes, shares, views, followers and subscribers to the needy people to convert these points to money. So do not forget to collect your daily bonus by logging in every day. Hope you like this video. Also watch my previous videos to know more tricks. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel.